Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery that challenges our understanding of the universe. It all started with what we call the singularity, the beginning of the Big Bang Theory. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has unveiled deep secrets about the birth and evolution of the universe that are truly mind-boggling. Renowned physicist Brian Cox announced that this discovery could upend everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Join us as we explore these celestial discoveries. The JWST, named after NASA Administrator James E. Webb, is a marvel of modern astronomy. This collaborative effort between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency surpasses the Hubble Space Telescope with its cutting-edge technology. Operating primarily in the infrared spectrum, the JWST can peer through cosmic dust and capture celestial objects hidden from sight thanks to its 6.5-meter primary mirror and its position 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. By observing distant celestial objects and events from billions of years ago, the JWST acts like a time machine. It recently detected an inconceivable mass of galaxies at the edge of the observable universe, challenging the Big Bang Theory and our fundamental cosmological assumptions. The history of space exploration began with early civilizations and advanced significantly with the Hubble Space Telescope, which provided unprecedented clarity and reshaped our understanding of the universe. The JWST builds on these advancements, offering new insights into the early universe. The JWST's recent findings show a higher number of galaxies in the early universe than predicted, suggesting a more complex and rapid formation process. This discovery raises questions about the fundamental nature of the universe, including its composition and structure. While the Hubble Space Telescope had limitations, the JWST can observe objects that formed shortly after the Big Bang, providing unprecedented clarity. These findings challenge existing cosmological models and prompt further exploration. Don't miss out on this incredible journey through the cosmos. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration, black hole discoveries, and the latest advancements in astronomy and astrophysics.